Hey guys, how you doing? JDM Jimmy here, and in today's video we're gonna be unboxing some lights here. I just got them. They're for the FG1. Show you I'm assuming they're right here. Just gonna show you what is it made for. So yeah. Alright, let me get my little knife here. Got ourselves a little knife and go ahead and start cutting. Alright, so got ourselves a new headlight. This is for the Civic. Got ourselves let's see what we got. Got ourselves our little harnesses. Little harnesses there. I'm assuming they go into the light fixture itself. Then we got the little cap. Oh shoot! Looks like it comes with lights. And then we got another one. Yeah, looks like it comes with lights already. May just be plug and play. They have those fixtures right there. Then there's the turn signal bulb, lights. I remember on my last set of aftermarkets, does it show the part number? It shows part numbers. Yeah, it says H1s. Does that mean I have to change them entirely to H1s? Thought you may have to run my old ones. Oh, these are upside down. They come with bulbs already. Okay, so it's plug and play. Just have to transfer the other ones to the new one. But yeah, these are plug and play bulbs. I'm gonna do another video where I actually install these bulbs, install these lights. But yeah, this is my new light. Yeah, this is what I'm gonna be running on the car. Anyway, JDM Jimmy signing out.